Very good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to explain you geography. In geography, our topic is globe, latitudes and longitude for a class 6. In a previous class, I explained you about what is globe, what is longitude and what is latitude. Let me give you a very shortly about globe. Globe is a model of earth, right? And longitude are a standing line, latitude are a parallel lines, right? Now globe is a model of earth to locate place, right? You can see the picture of globe, right? And you can also see the parallel line, right? But the line which is drawn in a red color is line of equator. Yes, the equator, line of equator is another important line, right? Now before explain you line of equator, now let me tell you something about globe, right? You will notice that the needle is affixed through the globe in a tilted manner, right? You can see the south as well as north pole, right, which is quite tilted. 2 points on the globe through which the needle pass are 2 poles, north pole and south pole. The globe can be moved around this needle from west to east, just as the earth move. But remember, there is a major difference. The real earth has no such needle. It moves around its axis, which is an imaginary line. So this needle is for your understanding, right? These needle are not real. Now this line of equator divided earth in a 2 part, right? You can see the line of equator and there is a 0. When you go upside, means when you move toward the north side, it is 10 knot, 20 knot, 30 knot, 40 knot, 60 knot, right? And when you move towards south, it is a 10 south, 20 south, 30 south, like that. Now our topic. Now come to our main topic. Another imaginary line running on the globe divides it into 2 equal parts, right? As you can see in the picture. This line is known as the equator. The northern half of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere and southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. Again, I would like to show you picture. Upside is called northern hemisphere and downside, okay, that is called southern hemisphere. Like the longitude and latitude, equator line is also imaginary line to locate the places, right? The equator is line which is not a real drawn around a sphere or a planet such as the earth. The equator is halfway between the north pole and south pole. There the surface of the planet is parallel to the axis of a rotation. Now what is rotation? Rotation means earth rotate on its axis, that is called rotation. Earth has a 2 movement. One is rotation, another is revolution. Revolution means earth move around the sun, that is called revolution, and this rotation and revolution we will study in next chapter, but this is for your understanding. The equator divides the surface into the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, as I explained you in the beginning. They are both equal halves. Therefore, the equator is imaginary circle line and is a very important reference point to locate places on the earth. all the parallel circle from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of a latitude. Latitude are measured in degree, as I already explained you in that picture, right? For your understanding, again I am going to show you picture. You can see the lines, parallel lines, northern parallel lines and southern parallel line, right? They are measured in degree, means 10 northern, 20 north, 40 north, 50 north. These are the measurement of this parallel line, right? And I already explained you that parallel means they are not meet at a single, right? For example, line of railway. Now come to the temperature, right? This is not in topic, but just for your understanding, average annual temperature in equatorial lowlands are around 31 degree during the afternoon and 23 around the sunrise. Rainfall is very high away from cold ocean current, upwelling zone from 2500 to 3500 millimeter, means 100 to 140 per year. Now the equator represents the 0 degree, right? Now come to the picture. The equator represents the 0 degree latitude. Since the distance from the equator to either of the pole is 1/4 of the circle round the earth, it will measure 1/4 of 360 degree, 90, right? Thus the 90 degree northern latitude marks the northern pole and 90 degrees southern latitude marks the southern pole. In this picture, just because of space, I couldn't display 90, but Banathan N, you can see 90 degree, right, in a blue color. 60, then 70, 80 and 90, same apply in a southern place, right? So this is all about equator line. As such, all parallels north of the equator are called north latitude. Similarly, all parallels of a south of the equator are called south latitudes, right? Student, this is all about equator as well as latitude. The value of latitude that I am going to explain you in my next class. So this is all for today. Thank you so much.